How to build wealth in your 20s. 7 proven steps. Want to be financially free by the time you're 30 or 40? The habits you build in your 20s will either set you up for wealth or keep you struggling for years. In this video, I'll break down 7 proven steps to build wealth in your 20s and beyond. Let's get started. 7 steps to build wealth in your 20s. Start now. Step 1. Master your money mindset. The first step to wealth isn't about making more money, it's about thinking differently about money. Rich people see money as a tool for growth, while poor mindsets focus on spending. Start by reading finance books, following money mentors, and thinking long-term. Money Mindset Shift gives Think Long-Term. Suggested books: Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Psychology of Money. Step 2. Budget like a boss. You can't grow wealth if you don't know where your money is going. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, bills, 30% for wants, fun, travel, 20% for savings and investments. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to stay on track. 50-30-20 budgeting rule. Track every dollar. Step 3. Start investing early. The biggest mistake 20-year-olds make: waiting too long to invest. Thanks to compound interest, even small investments now can grow into millions later. Start with index funds, S&P 500, Roth IRA, tax-free growth, high-yield savings, and stocks. Even investing $100 a month can lead to huge returns. Start investing. Let your money grow. Step 4. Increase your income streams. Want to build wealth faster? Don't rely on just one income. Create multiple streams of income. Freelancing, writing, design, video editing, side hustles, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, passive income, dividend stocks, digital products. The more income streams you have, the faster your wealth grows. More income streams equals faster wealth. Step 5. Avoid debt traps. Debt can destroy your financial future if you're not careful. Avoid high-interest credit card debt and only borrow for assets like education or business. Pay off debt using the snowball method: smallest debts first. The avalanche method: highest interest first. Debt-free equals more money to invest and grow. Kill debt fast. Free yourself financially. Step 6. Keep learning and networking. Your income grows as you grow. Keep learning about money, investing, and business. Follow finance podcasts, take online courses, and network with successful people. Surround yourself with wealth-minded individuals and watch your mindset shift. Your network equals your net worth. Step 7. Stay consistent and patient. Building wealth isn't overnight, it's about sticking to the plan. Stay consistent with your investments, budgeting, and learning. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll achieve financial freedom. Patience plus action equals financial success. Let's recap. To build wealth in your 20s. 1. Master your money mindset. 2. Budget and track expenses. 3. Invest early and let money grow. 4. Increase income with side hustles. 5. Avoid bad debt and pay it off fast. 6. Keep learning and networking. 7. Stay consistent and patient. Which step are you focusing on first? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial success tips. Subscribe for more financial freedom tips.